Welcome, one and all, to the Pearly Gates. First in line, please approach my desk. Sir, have you ever violated the Lord's commandments?
Yeah, man, Peter. One time, I take the Lord's name in vain.
All right. Tell me how it happened.
Well, I was playing in the big golf tournament when I reached the championship round. If you know anything about golf, I was 3 under par for 17 holes. Then, me tee off for the 18th and knocked the ball right into the rough.
Wait a minute. Don't tell me you took the Lord's name in vain because you went into the rough?
Nah, man, not yet. Me did take a 9-iron after that and knock it back on the green. The ball then rolled right in one sand trap.
Well, you didn't take the Lord's name in vain just because you landed in a sand trap.
No, man, not at that time. Me then take my sandblaster and knock the ball about 6 inches from the hole.
Jesus Christ, Lord God Almighty. Don't tell me you missed a 6-inch putt. Oops. You may enter the Pearly Gates, my good man. Next in line. My record shows you are a multi-millionaire. What do you want?
I want to get inside.
What have you ever done that entitles you to admission?
I saw a poor woman the other day and gave her $200. A week later, I gave a little boy $100 for wiping my Mercedes-Benz windscreen.
Well, I will register those to your credit. What else have you done?
That's all I can think of.
Gabriel, what do you think we should do with this guy?
Give him back him $300 and tell him to go to hell.